In the world of metal fabrication, achieving a clean, smooth finish is essential. Whether you're working on structural components, automotive parts, or intricate metalwork, the removal of weld beads and excess material from castings is a critical step in the process. This is where Carbide burr tools truly shine, offering unmatched efficiency, precision, and durability for fabricators and metalworkers alike. Carbide burr tools are rotary cutting tools made from tungsten carbide, a material renowned for its hardness and resistance to wear. Unlike traditional steel tools, carbide burrs maintain their sharpness even after extended use on tough metals, allowing for consistent performance over time. Their unique construction enables them to cut through a range of materials with ease, including stainless steel, cast iron, aluminum, and other alloys commonly encountered in fabrication shops. When it comes to removing weld beads, the challenge lies in efficiently smoothing out the raised material left behind after joining metal pieces. Traditional methods, such as grinding wheels or abrasive discs, can sometimes be too aggressive or imprecise, risking damage to the surrounding metal or creating an uneven surface. Carbide burrs, with their finely engineered cutting edges and various shapes, provide a more controlled approach. They allow the operator to selectively remove the weld bead with minimal impact on the base material, ensuring a seamless transition between welded sections and adjacent surfaces. Similarly, castings often emerge from their molds with excess material, known as flash or sprue, that must be removed before the part can be used or further processed. These irregularities not only affect the appearance of the component, but can also interfere with its function or assembly. Carbide burr tools excel in this context because of their ability to quickly and precisely trim away unwanted material. Their wide range of profiles, such as cylindrical, ball, oval, and flame shapes, means there's a burr suited for every contour and cavity found in cast parts. This adaptability makes it possible to access tight spots, internal passages, and complex geometries that other tools simply can't reach. The speed at which carbide burr tools operate is another key advantage. By spinning at high revolutions per minute, they rapidly shear off material, significantly reducing the time required to prepare a welded joint or a casting. This efficiency not only boosts productivity, but also helps maintain a cooler working surface, reducing the risk of heat damage or distortion to the component. Another benefit lies in the quality of the finish they produce. Unlike abrasive methods that can leave behind scratches or a rough surface, carbide burrs cut cleanly, resulting in smoother edges and transitions. This is particularly important in applications where aesthetics and surface integrity matter, such as in visible weld seams or precision-engineered cast parts. Durability is also a hallmark of carbide burrs. Their resistance to chipping and wear means they last much longer than conventional bits, reducing tool changeover and downtime. For fabricators, this translates to lower operating costs and more consistent results across multiple projects. Safety, too, is enhanced. Unlike grinding wheels, which can produce excessive sparks and debris, carbide burrs typically generate less particulate matter, contributing to a cleaner and safer workspace. In summary, carbide burr tools are indispensable in modern metal fabrication. Their strength, precision, versatility, and longevity make them perfect for removing weld beads and excess material from castings. By choosing carbide burrs, fabricators ensure not only the efficiency of their workflow, but also the quality and integrity of every finished piece. Whether tackling a simple cleanup or working on intricate, high-tolerance components, these tools deliver the performance and reliability that professionals demand.